Come test drive the 2013 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.